Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to change your app icons color in iOS 18. iOS 18 finally dropped the mic on boring home screen, and the biggest buzz is all about customizing app icons. Want your Instagram to pop up in pink or your Spotify to rock a sleek black? Buckle up because in this video we will show you exactly how to unleash your inner artist and change app icons colors on your iPhone with iOS 18. Remember, iOS 18 is still in beta. While the code's features are unlikely to change, there might be some minor tweaks before the official release. But hey, that's the beauty of being an early adopter, right? Alright, grab your iPhones and let's paint the town. Or rather, your home screen with some vibrant colors. To do this, you have to simply tap and hold on your home screen. After this, you will see your option Edit. Simply tap on it. Then you have to do is simply tap on Customize. After tapping on it, you will see a lot of options like Automatic, Dark Mode, Light, and finally Tint. Tap on it, and from here, you can select any color for your apps. Like I want to select blue color, I will simply go to the blue, and from here I can simply light it up or I can dark the blue color. So guys, isn't this simple? These were some simple steps that how to change your apps icons color in iOS 18. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.